Hi everyone, this video is going to go over some of the Khan Academy. This one is we just did the graphing with the Desmos. So this one is the scale and reflect, where we have an equation up here, and then we have two graphs, and we need to figure out which equation the graph is showing. So blue is our original, okay, and the dotted red is our new one, g of x. We can see that our vertex is still in the origin. That means our graph did not move horizontally or vertically. The only thing that changed is the slope. Okay, so that means that we can go ahead and say A is not our answer, because if A were our answer, we would have shifted to the left by 0.2. We know B is not our answer because we would have shifted right by 0.2. Now we have choices C or D. We have a negative 0.2 and a positive 0.2 for our slope. We can see that our graph is now facing down, so that means, again, we have a negative, that our graph is going to open down. So we can go ahead and choose C and check our answer, and we got it right. Okay, our next question. The graph of y equals the absolute value of x is reflected across the x-axis and then scaled vertically by a factor of 5/3. So we know that if it's reflected across the x-axis, that's automatically going to be a negative slope. So that means our answer either has to be A or C. Okay, and if the answer were C, we would know we would have gone right 5 and up 3. So that doesn't really work. So let's go ahead and try A and check our answers. And that is correct. Okay, so this one doesn't work because we would have been, even if you didn't understand everything up there, we know that we did not go horizontally 5 and then up 3. Okay, let's do another one here. Function g can be thought of as a scaled version of f of x equals the absolute value of x. Okay, that just means this was f of x, right? And then now we need to find the equation for g of x. Okay, we can see once again it didn't move up or down, right? And it also did not go across the x-axis. It's not facing down. So we know we need a positive slope. Okay, but this time we have all positive slope. So now we can see, we need to check our slope. It looks like it's up 1 and over, well, let's try these. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. That looks like that is probably our answer here, right? Because our slope, we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, and it looks like we're right on the line there. Let's check our answer, and that was also right. Okay, let's see if we can do quickly practice shift absolute value. Okay, the graph of y equals the absolute value of x is shifted up by 4 units and to the right by 5. So if we go back here, we know this one, the vertical shift, the k is our up and down. All right, so we know we went up by 4, so we know we need a positive 4 there. So that means A is not our answer, C is not our answer. And to the right by 5, we go back here, we know that if it's right, it means we need a negative h. Okay, so we have our positive 4, here's our negative 5. That should be our answer. Great. Okay, I think I might be able to do one more quickly. Okay, what is the equation for g of x? So this is where we started. Let's first see how far we went over horizontally. We went all the way over to 7 to the right. So that means we need one that has an, oh, that's pretty easy. It has a negative 7, but we can just double check that it went up by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is our answer. Check. All right, hope this helped you.